Hey guys, so this is the MasterGrind Mill 4-piece herb grinder by Masterdam. Let's take a closer look. So it's made with a very high quality aluminum on the outside, and then when you open it up, there's a strong magnet for easy opening and closing. And the teeth are very sharp, so it's very good for grinding herbs. And with this one, you can actually see the magic happening. So your freshly ground herb will collect in this compartment with the Micron Screen, where the pollen will collect in this base department. And each of these grinders come with a little mini scraper for collecting pollen. And that is the MasterGrind Mill 4-piece herb grinder. Thanks for watching. You can find a variety of grinders and stash shield jars on the Masterdam website or Amazon.com.